Open iPhone is too boring? Want to make it more interesting? Buy this machine to entertain you. Go.
洗洗手，嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，洗洗手，嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，洗洗手，嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，洗洗手。解泡泡，嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，解泡泡，嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，解泡泡，嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，解泡泡。
So how does the machine work? First, we use a hairdryer, which transfers electrical energy into kinetic energy, and uses the wind to let the marble have enough kinetic energy to move. Then, the marble rolls onto an inclined plane, which transfers the gravitational potential energy from the inclined plane to kinetic energy. The marble rolls onto another box, which transfers more gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. Since the marble is small, it can roll into the tape stick. The marble hits the first domino. The domino transfers kinetic energy into gravitational potential energy and into kinetic energy and hits the second domino. After the last domino was hit, one side of the pulley becomes lighter and the other side goes down, which transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. The weight on the pulley goes down, which hits the stick. The stick releases the marble on an inclined plane, which lets the marble transfer gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. The marble uses the kinetic energy to hit the brick, which lets the popsicle stick fall down because of the gravitational potential energy. The popsicle stick releases a ping pong ball on an inclined plane, which transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. The ping pong ball hits the golf on an inclined plane, which transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. The golf then hits the first book. The book transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy and hits the second book. After the last book was hit, one side of the pulley goes down and the other side goes up, which transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. After one side of the pulley goes up, it releases a ping pong ball on an inclined plane, which transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. The ping pong ball falls down and hits the stick. The stick releases a car on an inclined plane, which transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. The car falls down and hits one side of the lever. This side becomes heavier, so it transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. The lever hits the home button of the iPhone and it turns it on, which transfers kinetic energy into electrical energy.
Remember to buy this machine. The link is in the description down below. If you enjoy this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe us as well. Goodbye.